doing a late one. This is I'm at the garage, not home, but I'm trying to get this BMW ready for the summer. But so far I've spent a bit of money on it, probably even wasted probably £100 on it so far by changing 4 coils. It's got a misfire, right? And I've probably even wasted money on the NOx sensor that I've got in that box over there. This is my guy SIB bought this NOx sensor. I feel like I'm wasting money. Damn. So it's got a new NOx sensor on it. It's got 4 coils, 4 spark plugs. I ain't changed the oil yet, but I've got oil to change. I've got the old full service kit, but I'm trying to cure the misfire. And I bought this car for £200. So fixing this misfire is the win. Well, right now I'm at probably £200 low because the misfire is still existing. New spark plugs, new coil packs. I suspect there's an injector faulty here. Nope, not that one. That injector is working. BMWs don't like that sort of stuff, but I really don't care, mate. Whatever. Yeah. Whew. 2 injectors been turned off. Don't like it. Oh, before I blow my engine up, turn that off. Alright, so we chose those 2 and they made the engine go bad. Try this one. Whoop, not that one. Let's turn it off again. Okay, it's my Toyota 6 2.2. Still want to come out. Yeah, so all the injectors are working to a certain standard, and I was even able to test it on my computer in the settings here, and functional tests, actuator tests, injectors. So if you go through them, they turn off the injectors one by one, just like I was just turning off the injectors by pulling out the plug. The computer can do that as well. Yeah, it just knows how to turn it back on straight away. Do one more, and do the other one. Alright, cool. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna have to open up this engine. I'm not gonna get away with it. What do you think of the wheel being stuck out like that? That's silly, ain't it, mate? I don't know. Let me know though. Oh yeah, and from my mechanic friends, if you can help me fix this issue without opening up this engine by looking at these, let me know. But 30EA is the main fault. The rest of them are all like because I was messing about. Obviously in 29D9, but I've literally just put fuel in it. I think I put like 8 litres in, or 7 litres, jerry can basically. Don't know what to do, don't know what to do. Getting stuck in on this is not what I want to do, I'll tell you that. Yeah, I'm looking for a mechanic. Guys, I've got a ramp now, but I'm a mobile mechanic, so I'm always on the road. I would love to have someone go on the road and do the work for me, but obviously I've got a reputation to keep, so I don't really want to put someone that I don't know is going to do a good job on the road. So I'm happy for them to start here. I've got a lot of cars that I can test a mechanic on before putting them to work on my customers' cars. A lot of cars. But this is my Peugeot 206. I wanted to bring this in, introducing my Peugeot 206. This is the rarest Peugeot 206 that you will see. Yeah, let me tell you. If you know what bumper that is a genuine bumper, okay? If you know what headlights those are, that's a genuine headlight set. The bonnet grills are genuine as well. Underneath there, some grills, they're genuine as well. See these lips on the wing? They're genuine as well. See those mirrors? Genuine. This car's a mad thing. The seats inside, seat there. Your seat don't have that if you've got a GTO 180, does it? It's got GTO 180 steering wheel, binnacle, clocks, in center console bit, interior, full interior, except it's not gonna open. Alright, let me try. Pull the pin, see if it works. I think by the time I get this car back on the road, it's gonna need a respray because stuff keeps hitting it. It's deadlocked. It probably needs a new door lock, so probably gonna request a door lock from someone. Got the old school rear lights on it, because this is a O2 plate. What you see there, it's got the axle as well, front suspension as well. And let's have a look at the old engine. This is the engine inside the car. One cool thing about my new engine is this. I hope the pistons survive being in the boot, but I've actually had my pistons machined, but it's just not got done fixing other people's stuff. But I do love this car. I bought this when I was maybe 20 something. I've had it, my son's 18 now. I think I took him home from the hospital in it. So I've had it over 18 years, or probably around that, I hope anyway. This is a GTR 180 looking engine, but it's not, it's a 2.2 litre. Anyway, when it's daytime, I'll show you guys off. This basically needs an engine rebuilt. I spun the rods at Castlecombe race course. That's the only track that I really know and love, really. But yeah, it's my little Peugeot. That's my BMW for the summer. And this is my garage where I work with my outside ramp. Okay. Do you know what's extremely annoying about this? I'm sure I've had this car. When I bought it, it was smoking like crazy. That stops. Not gonna lie to you guys. I poured a bottle of K-Seal down it. Yeah. That was a bit naughty, but I did. Just to see if it would work. That's a copper that you can see. Why not? I'm gonna drive it, I'm gonna keep it. I wanna make this a 140i as well. So I can't fix this engine. If I take this engine apart and I find out that it's nonsense, it's gonna become a 140i. I'm gonna get a Cat B 140 and swap everything into it. That's my dream anyway. But I don't have time. But anyway, I'm gonna leave this to misfire for a bit so we can get some new full codes and come back and see what's going on. Alright, so I've come back, yeah, and it sounds alright, and I'm sure that it sounds alright. Let's have a listen to the exhaust. That don't sound like a misfire to me. It loves a bit of black dat stuff on the floor though. I just fucked up my camera. It's proper humid, that air. It's not misfiring anymore. So I don't know. I really don't know. I need to figure out how to get my switch to stay out like that as well. I don't like it going in like that. It looks dodgy. So something's wrong there, needs to be fixed. And guys, I think I'm gonna wrap the video up now. Get ready to go home, right? Oh yeah, this car's on 115,000 miles. Okay, ready to go home. I always want to end my video nicely for the people that stayed all the way. So here we go. Press and hold the open button. And let's see what happens. Yeah, boy. Whoa, isn't that something for the summer? Ooh, isn't that something for the summer? Kind of little clean up. Seats are looking clean and stuff. It needs a hoover. The guy who has that stuff down there, he does sandblasting, so this place is the worst for like cleanliness of your carpets, mate. I don't know, I need to figure something out. Let me see if I can close it up though. If you lock it, you hold the button, does it work? No, I don't know how to do it. Twice? No, how about open? Maybe you can't close the roof, that would be stupid, isn't it? I'll just open the boot. Come on man, close the roof. Well, yeah, that's a good way to end the video, guys. If your car can close the roof on the key, let me know. It's been Shannon from SP88, and I hope this is a good video. I've enjoyed making it. Yes, guys, so I bought these wheels on eBay to put on my Audi. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I love the little rainbow reflection you get from the diamond cut. but to repair alloys and get that finish again is impossible. But then look at these, got a nice little brush finish, and I'm in love with the brush finish as well. I think it's less flash than that, but still cold, so I'm happy. Like, if I had to choose, I think I'd probably choose these, you know. What do you reckon though? Let me know. Let me know. Who's doing it? Obviously it's Jordan. Don Julio. I'm gonna start calling you Don Julio. No, forgive it. That's my guy though. He's doing the weird look. He's done these ones. I think he's nearly finished. He's for some reason saying that he wants me to bring the wheels to put back on before he finishes them. But yeah, they will look good on my little Audi, which is probably gonna go up for sale. But I'm gonna ask for a premium to get it with these wheels, because these will be custom. At the moment they're like grey, but I'm gonna put them black. But Jordan's insisting on them going on black. But if you guys can change, if you can comment and say that, nah, keep them grey, I might get them to keep them grey. But he thinks they should go black. And he's the artist, isn't it? So when you do stuff like this, you're an artist. Yeah. So you have to go with what the artist says. You know what I'm saying?
Black or graphite grey.
Yeah, that's what he's saying. What do you say?
Black or graphite grey.
Alright, cool. Well, yeah. When he finishes this one. Well, this one, I think this is done. I think there's nothing left to be done. I swear you said there was one that had like a deep cut in it and you didn't know what to do.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. I got it out.
You got it out?
I think it's that one there.
It needs a little bit more finishing on this one. This one don't look as neat as that one. So he's got to do some more work on that one. Yeah, but yeah. Ideally, they will all look like this.
Like this?
No. And then you got the BMW wheels to do after that. And then you got the original wheels that are on the car to do after that as well. So you got a bit of work coming, and hopefully this video might keep you so busy that you have to hire someone to train up. What do you reckon?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah? That's what I'm saying, man. Yes. This is what John's working on. I like this. I think this is an MRST Transit. Can't lie, these are nice. If I had a Transit, I want it to be this Transit. Some ladies might want this little sexy mobile though, and some old boys might want this one. And some older boys might want the one back there. I don't know if that will ever get off the ramp though. And then some people like me might want this one, but not like this. Not like this. Remember the Matrix? That's great. Waiting for a respray.